Hello everyone, my name is Rolly. Today I'm gonna speak you line on Holi. Hope you like it, so let's get started. First of all, I would like to wish you all a very happy Holi 2021. Holi is an important festival of the Hindus. It is a festival of colors. It is celebrated all over India. On the occasion of Holi, people are very happy. We take delicious food. We sprinkle colored water on one another. We smear colored powder on the faces of others. We sing, dance and jump about. We beat drums and sing holy songs. We are almost mad with joy. In the evening, we put on new dresses. We embrace one another. We smear a bit on the faces of others. Holi is an happy occasion when we mix freely with all. We forget the social distinction between the rich and the poor. But this festival has some evils attached with it too. Some people throw dirty water mud on others. Some people drink too much. This is very bad. We should celebrate it properly. Saying this, I conclude my speech.